I am Fahad Hassan, registration number 16TE10. In this lecture, we will discuss about some methods used in convolution or in digital signal processing. So, methods of convolution. There are three methods of convolution: direct method, scaled shifted impulses, and flip and slide method. Now suppose we have a signal x of n, 1 1 1. This is my index, so this value corresponds to x of 0, next value corresponds to x of 1, and similarly x of 2. Now if we have when we pass this signal through a system, we get output y of n, which is equal to x of n minus 2 x of n minus 1 plus 3x of n minus 2. Now suppose we take the value of n to be minus 2, then the signal will become x of minus 2 minus 2 x of minus 3 plus 3 x of minus 4, and neither of these x of n exists in the original signal. For example, x of minus 2 will not exist in x of n, x of minus 3 also does not exist, x of minus 4 does not exist. So we start from y of minus 1. Y of minus 1 means x of minus 1, which is nothing, minus 2 x of minus 2 x of minus 2 means nothing, plus 3x of minus 3, and that does not also exist, so y of minus 1 0. Now y of 0 will come out to be 1, y of 1 will come out to be minus 1, and y of 2 will come out to be x of 2 minus 2 x of 1 plus 3 x of 0. So x of 2 is 1, x of 1 is 1, x of 0 is 1. So minus 1 plus 3, and that means y of 2 is equal to 2. Now similarly y of 3 will be calculated, which will be 1, y of 4 will be 3, and after n equal to 4, n equal to 5, 6 up to infinity will result in values equal to 0. So we do not need to calculate that. So y of 5 will also be 0, y of 6 will also be 0, and up to so on, because when we put n in this signal, neither value corresponds in this signal. Means, for example, x of 6 does not exist. When we will put n6, then the corresponding x will also not exist in this signal, so we do not need to calculate that. And finally we conclude by saying that y of n will be equal to 0 1, this is our index, minus 1 2 1 3 0. Now as you know, this is y of 0, this is y of minus 1, this is y of 1, and this is y of 2, and up to so on. Now coming towards second method, which is scaled and shifted impulse. Scaled and shifted impulse. In this method, suppose we have a signal h of n, 1, minus 2, 3. This is our index. So, plotting h of n, so h of 0 will be 1, h of 1 will be minus 2, h of 3 will be 3, now h of minus n minus 1 means that we need to shift the signal towards the right side. So h of 0 will be 0, h of 1 will be 1, h of 2 will be minus 2, and h of 3 will be 3. Now taking h of n minus 2 means that we need to shift it one step further towards right. So h of 0 is 0, h of 1 is 0, h of 2 is 1, h of 3 is minus 2, and h of 4 is 3. Now how we will calculate y of n? We will calculate y of n by adding these three impulses. So we will get y of n equal to, for h of minus 1 we will get 0, for h of 0 we will get 1 plus 0 plus 0. So h of 0 is 1. Now h coming towards h of 1, h of 1 will be minus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So minus 2 plus 1 plus 0, minus 1. And now h of 2 will be 3 minus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and to be continued like this. Now this is h of 0, this is h of 1, this is h of 2, this is h of 3, and further so on. Now coming towards the third method, which is very easy, known as flip method. Now what is convolution? Now first we need to understand the definition. Mathematical way of combining two signals to get the third one is called convolution. Here we take h of n equal to 1, 2, 3, and x of k to be 1, 1, 1, h of k to be 1, minus 2, 3. Now when we will take h of minus k, we will get 3 minus 2, 1, which is the flipped version of h of k. So in this method because our x of k was 1 1 1, so 1 1 1, and h of minus k was 3 minus 2 1, so we will put 3 minus 2 and 1. Now when we will consider these two, we will get y of 0, which will be 1. Now shifting towards right, 1 minus 2 3. When we will consider these two, we will get y of 1 minus 2 plus 1, so minus 1. And in similar case, minus 2 plus 1, so we will get 2, and we will continue this procedure until we reach 1 1 1 until this index 3 comes in correspondence to 1, because when we will further shift toward right, we will start getting values equal to 0, and that's of no use. So our y of n will become, this is for y of minus 1, y of 0 was 1, so 1, y of 1 was 2, so y of 1 was 2, then y of 2 was 1, so 1 3 and 0. So in short, what we have to do in flip method, that we have to, first of all, we have to see where our index is, then we make our index to the first entry of x of k, so these two will match. Then we will further shift it to right, so we will get this and calculate it as sum, and further shifting towards right, we will get this, and further shifting toward right, this minus 3 will come in place of minus 2, and like this. So this is called flip method. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.